We are on our way to Bali. Yeah. Okay. We nearly didn't go to Bali because of it. When you see the pilot, he's on his phone. When you're in row 1. Alrighty, alright. And you can see inside. Put away. And the person next to us just like slams shut there. Blind. I can see outside everything. Very violent. Eating our chewies so we don't get blocked here. Disneyland. We're here. Hey, kids. So we just got to Bali now. We're waiting for our family. Our cuz Tiara. On our way to February. Woo! Ooh.
Is it February or February?
Febreze? I don't know how to say it. Are we outside or inside? I'm not really sure. Okay, so we're going up to our room now, which is really exciting. I love this part.
We had a little sneak peek and I'm very excited to see what's in our bed.
Yeah. There's a pool in the dark.
It's called the February and there's elephants everywhere, so I'm thinking that means elephants in Indonesian.
Yeah, that's awesome. My exercise for the day, walking upstairs. 3 flights of stairs. I'm gonna get nice and strong legs by the end of it. Look at the Look at French Japan.
Cute. You guys going to the pool with my child? I don't know the reckon.
Yeah, they're really cute. Twins.
Day 1.
Got your waffle. Thanks. Oh yeah.
1 waffle. 2.
Waffle.
Hi. This is Tiara. Cuz dog.
Our cuz dog.
Cuz dog.
Cuz dog. We in the hotel room. What do we do just then, Tiara?
Had breakfast.
Yep.
And now I need a nap.
Yeah, breakfast takes it out of you, I must say.
Can I have a quick nap?
Oi, Sam! Looking sweaty already. Where are we going? Shopping! Look, there's a circus in town.
Losers, we're going shopping.
Oh, look at the shoes! Oh my god, pink sparkles.
Like this one, how much you pay?
You sexy, Tiara! Yeah! Tiara loves it. Yeah, I love it. Hello, big chili. Bubba gum.
Like hot chocolates.
So, just had dinner. It was very nice, but we had to wait a long time because they accidentally made it 3 times. They accidentally made satays instead of, what did we get?
Schnitzel.
Chicken schnitzel.
Schnitzel?
Waking up at 6 AM to go to a waterfall.
Every little thing is gonna
Be alright, yeah. Everything's gonna be alright.
Yeah.
Up this bumpy track. This place is amazing.
it because check out that beautiful waterfall.
It's amazing, absolutely awesome.
And it's so crazy when you get there because you're trying to go with like look where you're going and there's all these rocks and you're like, oh my god, oh my god.
You're like, what am I stepping
And
on?
then you've got all the water coming in your face, but it's all part of it.
It's all part of the adventure. So I can head back up the hill.
So easy to come down, gotta go back.
It is day 3 and we're walking upstairs. The struggles. The struggles. 3 flights of stairs. On the flip side, what a beautiful day. Whoa. Woo. It's a beautiful day. It's a picnic. This guy risking his life to clean. Whereas there he is all the way up there. Oh my god! Holy moly! Getting in a van we don't know. So we just bought some bathers. But we were upstairs buying them in the change rooms or whatever.
And the guy's like, here, I'll put them downstairs for you. And
To like pay downstairs, and we're like, but we're upstairs.
And he's like, no. And so we just gave it to him. We got downstairs and we're like, but we're here before him. And then all of a sudden the bathers come through with special shoes.
So they put whatever you're buying down a chute. Introducing
Tony Macaroni.
Tony Macaroni. So we just got our hair braided.
Yeah, and we're going white water rafting today.
Yeah, with our friends.
And we've never done that before, so we're really excited.
Woo! Can't wait.
Hello, Hannah. Hello, Ashley.
You don't like that?
So yeah, we're in the back of the truck. No seatbelts. We're going rafting. I'm a pimp, that's why. That's how we're feeling inside. That is how she's feeling inside, yes. I'm okay. Dad, do not scare her. I barely got her out here as it is. We're not in Australia, we don't have snakes. Or maybe. We don't have snakes. Pothole. Pothole. What? I swear, I didn't actually see it. Oh yeah. Bali Idol. Bali Idol. That's so good. Wow.
Hey, we're looking for Rhonda today.
Rhonda.
Who is Rhonda?
Ashley in front.
It would take like an hour to get down to the river.
We're nearly there, we can see water. Yeah.
We don't have to go up the stairs because they're so steep.
Yeah, let's hope we just keep going down. I'm actually really scared now. So yeah, long walk.
And get free massage for you on the waterfall.
Yeah.
Not somebody massage you but the waterfall. Okay? Are you got it?
Yeah. doing really nice. It's our second last day in Bali and we're spending it relaxing around the pool with some things that we'll show you now. He's growing. Last day in Bali. Look guys, I'm on the koala. You don't need to go to Australia for that, you just come to Bali.
He does.
He's there, he's gone.
You know what to do with that
Big fat butt. One, salamat pagi. That means good morning.
Good morning.
In Bali.
Salamat
Pagi.
Pagi.
Whatever, it's really nice. At Miss Debbie's, we're out the back. Are we only taking selfies? Yeah, yeah.
To get to go.
Yeah, yeah. This is the best thing ever. It's so thick, you can't even drink it. Family circle. Bye. I hate you guys. It's our last night in Bali and we're doing some last minute shopping. Aren't we, Tegan?
What are we doing?
Last minute shopping? Of course.
Of course.
Spending all our money. There's Ramayana, we stayed there last year. We have been searching every single shop for this one and we finally found it.